What is really self-care? Nails are important. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's my second last day in Dubai. I thought why not go get some self-care things done. So I need to go get my nails, my pedicure, and I need to get a haircut. Let's go get these things done. And I might sound a bit different today because I am sick. I have like cotton in my ears and I have tiger balm and things like that. But nails are important. Hi guys, we're going to the salon now to get my hair cut. We've already got my nails and my pedicure done. Wait a minute. So I'm editing this vlog right now and I actually wanted to share something with you guys. So what you just saw, getting my nails done, going to get my hair cut, getting my pedicure done, soaking in a bath with Epsom salts. All of these are the ones that come up when you search for self-care vlogs on YouTube. And honestly, that was the video that I was also going for. But then it got me thinking, right? What is really self-care? What about you? What about taking care of yourself? All the things that you like to do, even if it's just lazing around, not doing anything, but being able to do that without feeling guilty, eating all the food that you love. All that is self-care too. To me, self-care has always been about cherishing the smallest things in my life, being really present in whatever it is that I'm doing. And trust me, there is no feeling like learning to enjoy the tiniest little things in your life. And yes, you will really begin to start treating yourself better when you are mindful of the things that really bring you joy. So before we move on and watch me get my hair cut, let's also see what real raw self-care can also look like. And let's start off by getting some chai.
ഞാൻ ബ്യൂട്ടീഷ്യനൊന്നും ഒന്നോട് മൂഞ്ചിയില് വാസലിൻ തേക്കെടുത്തില്ല പിന്നെ അതൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതന്നെ തുടക്കിച്ചല്ലോ മണിട്ടൊരു അടിയിലേയും കിടക്കണം, മേലെയല്ല. എല്ലായിടത്തിലെയും അതായത് എല്ലാം മിക്സാണ്. ശരി.
this haircut is so nice. So I was like really paranoid in the beginning because I don't like layers. So there are no layers in this. It's just like blunt at the bottom. And I just got face framing pieces. I tie my hair a lot, so I just need some pieces to style with.